Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm here to share with you a card share video. I have some Christmas cards that I made this year. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the designs that I created. I have this little leaf here to help me guide where the center of my filming is, because I'm filming actually in my craft room. I normally film on my dining room table because the light is better in there, but I'm going to start trying to film in my craft room, which makes it easier for me just to hurry up and make a video without having to set up in another room and bring everything in there. So this is just a little marker to guide me. So let's take a look at the first Christmas card that I'm going to share with you. So this Christmas card, I used the Spellbinders Large Die of the Month for July 2023. It's called Stocking Full of Joy. And this is super cute. Die set. It has a Christmas stocking, and you can add a gingerbread man, a gnome. They have a sentiment joy. They have a candy cane, and then some greenery, and I think that's everything. Yeah. So this was one of the designs that I chose to make Christmas cards with this year. I also used a embossing folder, which I cannot find. It's somewhere in the mess of my craft room right now because of all the Christmas cards that I have made. So here is the card right here, and it says a 5 by 6.5 size card. I think it's super cute. In the die set, it does have the sentiment joy, but this is how it cuts out. And my husband and I didn't really care for this. It kind of looks like J, and then it kind of looks like Loy. So we really wasn't getting joy out of this. So I decided to cut out some letters from my Cricut and put the joy on there. They were kind of a little bigger than I wanted, but I went with it. My little gingerbread man, he's a little dark, but this would be what one of my gingerbread men would look like if I was cooking one, probably a little burnt. So I had my husband help, and he die cut. I used the die cut to cut these out, and I did not want to use them, even though they were kind of dark, so we went with it. And then I also used some of the gems from Spellbinders and adhere those here onto the greenery here with some glitter art glue, my favorite. I also used some glitter cardstock by Cricut, and you can see how pretty that turned out. So this was one of the first card design that I made, and as you can see, I have a lot of cards that I made out of this one. Is 20 cards from this design. Took a lot of time, especially on the little gingerbread man with the little individual decorations, but I think it was well worth it because I think whoever sees these cards will really enjoy them. So this is my first design. Like I said, I want to share with you. So keep watching for the other designs that I created for this holiday season. I want to thank you for watching. I never say that enough. Appreciate each and every one of you taking time out of your day to watch my videos. And if you comment, that's even better. And if you give me a thumbs up, I really would appreciate it. So I will talk to you soon. Thanks.